So this is a quick video for if you're suffering lower back pain. This is Bella. Bella's going to join me today. So for lower back pain, there are quite a few different maneuvers you can do, but a couple of quick ones, if you've only got time for a couple, is one we're going to do is pull over. So for pull over, I actually like to start this one with my legs slightly wider than hip width apart. I find I can really get into that lower back when I do that. So we're going to start off with our right hand, and we're going to place it over near our shoulder. And we're going to push in on the skin, and we're going to pull the skin up and over. With your left hand, you're going to wrap it around your rib cage, and you're going to push on the skin and then pull it forward. So you're pulling over and forward. We've got our legs, we've got our spinal pelvic lock on. We're going to turn our head to the left. We're going to raise our left shoulder up. We're going to sink down into a bit of a squat, keeping our head over our left shoulder. We're going to lift this shoulder up and over towards our right knee. And here I like to really curve my back, and we're going to breathe. So 3 times through your mouth. And 3 times through your nose, making sure you're still pulling those the skin up and over and forward. And unwinding and shaking that out. All right, we're going to do the other side. So this time we're going to put our left hand on the back, so not near your neck, making sure it's sort of over towards the meaty part of your shoulder. We're pushing in and we're pulling the skin up and over forward. We're then wrapping the right hand around our left rib cage. We're pushing in and pulling the skin forward. We're going to turn our head to the right. We're going to lift that shoulder up. You've got your spinal pelvic lock on. You're sinking down, you're lifting up and over towards your left knee. 3 breaths through your mouth. 2, 3, and then 3 breaths through your nose. Also feel free to move around a little bit, making sure you keep that head over the right shoulder, but moving those hips around. Bella's trying to give me kisses. And coming up. Now there are other specific mid-back ones that you can do, lower back ones. But what I like to do is if you're getting lower back pain, often it can be because you are having constriction in your fascia at the front of your body. So if your fascia is constricting and pulling here, then you're going to feel it at the back. So when I do something at the back, I like to do something at the front. I think the body really appreciates that. So I'm actually going to do the bladder release. So for this one, you don't have to put your hands on skin, but I like to do it skin on skin. But we're just going to put them down so our fingers are just above our pubic bone. We lean forward a little bit so we can really get in there. We push in, we pull up, then we push our hips forward, and doing 3 breaths through your mouth and 3 breaths through your nose. And as you can see, I'm slowly moving from side to side if you need to re-grip, and coming out. So there's 2 quick maneuvers you can do for lower back pain.